Winston Churchill, as well as being the famous wartime leader, was also a very prolific writer and journalist. Leading up to the war, he used to write for the Evening Standard in this bi-weekly column, and it went on for 3 years, right up to the war. And in his column, he essentially foresaw and was warning Britain and actually Europe about the rise of Hitler in Germany. And of course, it came true. But just 3 months before the war, he published this book step by step, and actually it's a complete reprint of all those columns month after month after month, and he sent it out to political colleagues as much as anything else. One of Winston Churchill's great supporters in this time period was Sir Anthony Eden, an aristocrat, politician and foreign secretary at the time. He was one of Churchill's few supporters in this period, and here we have the copy of this book inscribed to St. Anthony Eden. One cannot imagine a better association. When Winston Churchill became Prime Minister in the war, he appointed Anthony Eden as his Foreign Secretary, and the two men were fairly politically inseparable for the next 2 decades. Eden served him faithfully, not just as when he was War Prime Minister, but also when he was re-elected Prime Minister in the 50s. There cannot be a closer or better presentation from Winston Churchill for wartime Britain than Sir Anthony Eden.